Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with you for the daily analysis of the USDJPY currency pair on the 12th of October. In recent weeks, after witnessing Japan's intervention to support the yen, the price of this currency pair dropped down to the lower weekly FVG area. Subsequently, last week, as the dollar strengthened, we saw about a 1.5% increase in the price.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Of this currency pair, with the price reaching the range of 158.77 yen. At the start of this week, the price initially opened with a downward gap, but immediately resumed its upward trend, and as you can see, the price has been continuously rising and filling the daily FVG area. However, today the yen has taken a stronger position against the US dollar compared to previous days, and we can see that the upward movement that had continued over the past 7 days has now come to a halt. Yesterday, we saw that Bank of America announced it is no longer bearish on the Japanese yen and has changed its long-term outlook from bearish to neutral. The bank also lowered its year-end 2026 forecast for the USD-JPY currency pair from 157 yen to 152. This decision was made based on improved structural flows and new signals in the market. We are currently analyzing the 4-hour timeframe. We can observe that after the interventions Japan made to support the yen, the price of this currency pair has been in an upward movement over the past 2 weeks, and during the short and minor pullbacks, which could be considered internal battles, the price would once again move upward. The highly volatile candlesticks we observed during this upward trend made trading somewhat more difficult and required greater risk management. In a report published by Bank of America, the bank explained that if this currency pair surpasses the 160 yen level, it will almost certainly trigger a more aggressive currency intervention by Japan. Based on this, Bank of America's long-term outlook is bearish, expecting the price of this currency pair to reach the mentioned targets by the end of the year. We are currently reviewing the economic calendar. Overall, there will be no major reports for the Japanese yen this week, but regarding the US dollar, we will see the important FOMC meeting minutes later today. You can see the currency strength chart on a weekly basis. As we mentioned, over the past week, the US dollar has had a stronger position compared to the Japanese yen, but as you can see in the daily chart today, the Japanese yen is in a better position than the dollar. However, as you can see in recent hours, the difference in strength between these two currencies is shown only slightly, and we still expect the US dollar to show more strength as Treasury yields rise. We are currently analyzing the 1-hour time frame. Given the close strength of these two currencies, we do not expect a strong or significant move. However, based on the price action in the past few hours, we can see that the price has filled its 1-hour BPR zone with bearish candles, and after reacting to this area, it has moved upward. Going forward, we expect this upward movement to continue in such a way that the price could move toward yesterday's high. Wishing you success and profitable trades.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fastest gap. Level up your trading.